you're pretty and you're dark, but at least you're not like too dark.
What?
You know, like those girls who are super dark, like midnight dark. At least you're not that dark, because they're
Too what? Gorgeous? Melanated to perfection? You're not going to insult my fellow sisters in a pathetically futile attempt to compliment me, because there is no such thing as too dark. There are only levels upon levels of gorgeous melanated glory. The thing about my sisterhood is, you come for one of us, you've come for all of us, because we're a team, and we know that when we support each other, no one can stand in our way.
I know you gon'
losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights.
He don't know me, but he's setting up to blow me. Oh, said my Twitter picture, mine and my Naomi. Oh, wanna low, I used to holler at his homie. Oh, fucking now I'm about to ride him like a pony. Yeah, okay. The Polly, yo come Polly. He wanna fuck a bad dolly and pop Molly. I hope your pockets got a motherfucking pot belly. Or is it that you never bow? John Sally, he had the rose in the voice, the tone in his voice. Don't want a good girl, not hoes, it's a choice. Dick on H, pussy on W, mouth on open, ass on smother, yo, ass on the cover toe. L magazine, vroom vroom vroom, get gasoline. Could I be your wife? Nah, we got bang though. I got these niggas whipped. Call me the Django.
Told I was not the standard for beauty, but see, that was a lie, which is why I chose to rewrite my own narrative. Dear black girl, we are warriors whose spirits can't be crushed. We speak up when told we're too much. We forgive when our black men dismiss, degrade, and can't see that we are not the ugly ducklings, but the swan princess, the Nubian goddess, the reflection of our ancestors, the made in his image. When society tries to pin light versus dark skin, we remind them that every shade of chocolate is divinely crafted. Black girl magic is more than a hashtag. So to all my sisters, as we continue this process of loving our skin, start with this. Look at yourself in the mirror. This is me, the chocolate.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
brr, brr. Brr. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Big brr. Yeah. Brr, 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 brr. I ever put up on my shit. That little clip, that shit got 1 million views. I ain't never got no views on some shit out. Who you think you ahead of, not us? In the S of the Porsche Carrera song. Fuck twins like Tia Tamara song. Get that boy getting bread, Panera song. Landed in the GT Lara song. Put Fosto in the Arizona. Mary Hush, she having affairs. I'ma spend the whole life fairs. Born in the shot like able to do the crime like Bum J, I ain't scared of none. Passport stamp, young nigga ran up that sack, might as well go to Paris, huh? Whoopin' got whack, you embarrassed, huh? Pussy.
Cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Perm-ting braids got mini afros. Thick lips got hips, some of us don't. Big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Want a fat beauty like Kardashians, no. Want a fat beauty like my auntie got, yo. We love
Jumbo knotless braids in 30 seconds. Part your hair, rubber band it. Take your piece of hair, pull it through sideways underneath the rubber band. Take a slightly smaller piece of hair and pull it through up and down underneath the rubber band. Take those two pieces, add it to your hair. Now you have 3 equal pieces and start braiding down. No knot, no rubber band showing. Way easier than feed-in braids.
Bought these flexi rods from Dollar Tree. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you done beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds and nothing when I'm rockin' with ya. Diamonds and nothing when I'm shining with ya. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to Let's see what it's giving.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Make a CRIE, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, okay. Call me and I can get it juicy. I can tell you gone off the blues.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookies for the begging.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy.
I hope you know I'm for the taking. You know this cookies for the begging.
Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation.
I know I get it. Wow.
I don't drive R8s, I don't like those. I drive the Daytona and I tinted the windows. Can't fuck with nobody, not even my shadow. I got on Ed Hardy, she got on stilettos. She my best friend.
I went to get my hair straightened for the first time in over 5 years.
If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These the game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, well, I still be cool.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I'm moving.
What we gotta do right here is go back in the time.
Singing in the shower, picking petals off the flowers like, do she love me, do she love me not? I ain't a player, I just...
You give me that kind of something, want it all the time, need it every day. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at 100, never get enough, I can't stay away. If you want what I got it every day. You can go for whatever you need from me. Stay by your side, I'll never leave you. And I
said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows, be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, natural relax to the Jericho. One time soft and sheen, where black girl magic is sometimes blue. Man broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, she gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth, and now you say that I'm hood.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros. This would be a cool trend to show off our afros.
Today I'm finna show y'all how I did my rice mask because my hair was dry. So I bought Put a whole lot of water and 1 cup rice. Do it till it's mushy. Make sure you put enough rice in your blender. I don't know if your hair thick or thin. Use all. It don't matter what oil, but mix the oil with the rice. Make sure you do that. Blend it. You can't blend too much. Just blend it. Blend it till it's real milky, like conditioner, just like this. You don't want it to look no less than this. Make sure you section your hair, work it through, get your ends, your roots. If you want real definition, I'm telling you, listen to what I'm telling you. Work it through. Just keep working it through. Make sure you grab your brush, honey. If you want moisture and definition, use your brush. Twist it up. Put it back. That's what I'm telling you. Work it through. Just keep working it through. Make sure you grab your brush, honey. If you want moisture and definition, use your brush. Twist it up, put a bag on your head. It's gonna look like this the next morning. I promise you. I promise you. Do what I did. Then you're gonna rinse it out, and it's just you just gonna know. You're gonna feel it.